What are you doing? What are you doing, Penny Lane? Are you burping? Are you burping? Penny burping?
Long hair. Look at her hair. Long
Okay. Take a drink and burp. So well, let's just do it without the breath in the mouth, okay?
Okay, show us how you burp.